Streamline your entire social media presence with clarity, simplicity, all in one place. This is my 8-part video series, and this is video number 4, and it starts inside Frame.io. In this video, I'll share how I use Frame.io as a social media management tool to keep everything running smoothly and efficiently from a creator's perspective. Social media offers an incredible return on investment for brands and businesses because video is the most powerful tool in the business world, and it will be for the rest of your career. With that demand, the creation process can stack up real quick. Let's take a single vertical video, for example. It needs structure. This is storyboard and script. It needs a draft, another draft. How about music choices? Okay, one more pass with the feedback, a final result. Oh, and it needs a thumbnail. What about a written caption below? And the variety of sizes for each platform. I need it clean, effective, sorted, and ready to share. And I need to do a lot of it. Frame.io provides many project templates, one being social media marketing. If you want a great starting off point, check that template. Today, I'm gonna take you a step further and show you this proven method inside Frame.io. Feel free to use it too. You can download this template below and follow along. I start a new project from scratch and I label it brand-template. Let's right click and create the following 10 folders. Right click, new folder. We're gonna create media, elements, brand identity guidelines, video drafts, thumbnails, written captions, asset versioning sizing, scripts, schedules, and project admin documents. 5, 6, I think it's 10. It's 10. I think it's 10. Once your folders are all complete, don't upload anything. Let's go back to the main folder, the one labeled brand template. We're gonna duplicate this project by clicking the 3 dots. Rename it to the brand you're working with. In my case, it's Frame.io. Let's upload that custom thumbnail. I do this by hopping over to Adobe Express. It's easy, efficient, and sparks creative ideas for you. If you notice this, we're doing this directly in the browser with no software installed. I could do all of this from my phone, delivering remarkable results while keeping it super fun and light. Now we have the Express template, keep that for later. Upload the thumbnail. Now with whatever brand you work with, this folder structure remains consistent. With Movie Magic, I've already filled in a project to show you. Let's dive in to show a real-world example. So, if I click into media, well, what projects were you thinking? Is it project 1, 2, 3? Let's choose video number 1. All of the media for video number 1 is there. Audio, photo, video. Clicking into the audio folder, music selection, sound effects, voiceover. Photo has all the necessary photos that I speak about in the video, or photos for swipe gallery. Video has all the video footage captured and further sorted into talking head, B-roll, or miscellaneous. Clicking into elements. These are all uniform and evergreen for the brand, so this can stay a little bit more general. Still elements like logos. Motion elements like call to actions at the end of each video. Brand identity for brand guidelines. Every brand has their own colors, fonts, voice, tone, and their ways. Video drafts, scripts per video, scheduling, project admin, all contain the many different files needed. That's the joy of working with Frame.io. Frame.io accepts so many different file types. Ooh, let me show you thumbnails. These are created within Adobe Express. Super fun to create, by the way. There was feedback at one point on each thumbnail. By using Frame.io's anchored comments, it was a breeze. Clarity is kindness. In this case, communication. I know exactly what they're addressing and what the clients love. Fields are a life enhancer. I organize my files by status. Needs review, in progress while editing, or approved. I add fields to share even more clarity with my team, my clients, and honestly, myself. Every project has so many different asks, so when I open up a project inside Frame.io, I get immediately aligned. My favorite fields include seen by, who has viewed it, resolution. This is incredibly helpful for asset versioning and sizing across the many different social media platforms. Duration, from deliverable requests to meeting requirements with content. Having a quick glance confirms we're aligned. So I have to ask, what's your favorite field? Drop a comment below and let us know. Oh, it gets better. Add custom fields. Deadlines. When is the asset due? Content description. This provides a brief overview of the asset without clicking into it. Features like scrubbing through a video just by hovering. Many sharing features like security for added comfort. Password protected for those NDA projects. And to ensure timely feedback, you're able to set expiration dates when sharing. Oof, Frame.io. Damn. Built. All of this can be shared amongst your team, used throughout the entire year, and having your own media library at your fingertips. Frame.io is the key to moving faster, more effectively, and efficiently with social media content. These tips have helped me stay sharp, gain more clients, secure bigger projects, and avoid resenting the process. And I believe that they can do the same for you. Let me know if you want to see even more tips like these by commenting below. We would love to hear from you. Here's me. This is what we're creating. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, later.